Hello and welcome to Byway Nomad. My name's Tony Ferrari and for this video we're off to Northumberland. It's about as far north as you can get in England without crossing the border into Scotland. The official name of this 4.5 kilometre lane is Plenmeller with Whitfield Byway 26. A bit of a mouthful. Locally it's known just as Plenmeller Common. It starts off for about 1.7 kilometres as a fast, flat gravel track, and as you've just seen, it does have a few holes that could catch you out, so you do need to be a bit careful. You've got good sight lines, so you can see if there's any other users on here, but should be ridden with some care. The surface on this first section is unsealed metalled, so basically imported stone or gravel that has been rolled flat, and therefore gives a good surface. It also drains well, so although you can see a few puddles in places, it's not a problem at all in wet weather. The surface gets a little bit rougher as the lane starts to climb, a bit of grass in the middle of it, but it's still very easy to ride. Perfect for large adventure bikes. And we're just approaching the first of 5 gates on this lane. On this occasion a couple of them were left open, which is good. Just a reminder that you should always leave gates exactly as you find them. So if they're closed, you close them. If they're obviously open, and by that I mean tied back or wedged, the open position, leave it open. If you would find a gate open and swinging, I would always advise that you close it. That way, if there is any stock in the fields, you won't let them escape. It's after this point that the character of the lane changes. The surface is now a much more natural sort of soil, although still very stony, so it may well have been a metalled surface at one point. Grass up the middle, and it still drains very well and stays dry, and partly because it's also climbing now from the lower point. As the lane descends over the area known as Ridden Common, it becomes a fully metalled surface again. The lane ends after a cattle grid and a short section where there's evidence of old tarmac, so obviously a sealed surface at some point, and then it meets a tarmac road called Windshield Side.